من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the third part of Surah Al-Mutaffifin. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel, Online Islamic Classes English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so kindly subscribe both channels and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Khitamuhu. Khitamuhu. Misk. Misk. وفي ذلك فليتنافس متنافسون ختامه. Kha we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Ta we long due to standing fatha on it. Ha we long due to invert dhamma here. So we say khitamuhu. Misk. On the scene we make whistling and hums quality, the continuation of our breath, and the sound becomes weak. On the kaf we make shiddat and hums quality when we stop. So this double dhamma will be skipped from here as we say misk. Misk. Khitamuhu misk. Wafi zalika. Fi we long due to yamadda is there. Zalika. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to standing fatha on it. Kaf we read in light sound. Wafi zalika falyatanafasil. Noon we long due to alif madda and we do not long any letter here. Falyata. On the lam we make a tawassut quality as well. Falyatanafasil mutanafisun. This noon again we long due to alif madda, sin we long due to waw madda. So we say mutanafisun. And when we stop here, so it will be madde aris, which we long 3 to 4 seconds. And now we say khitamuhu misk. Khitamuhu misk. وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون ومزاجه من تسنيم Wamizajuhu. Za we read bit hard and also we long there is alif madda and this alif we read in light sound and we long Wamizajuhu. Ha we long due to invert dhamma. Wamizajuhu min tasneem. After the noon sakin there is ta which is ikhfa letter. So we make ikhfa here which is light ikhfa and then we long this noon due to yamadda and when we stop so this double kasra will be skipped from there. We say min tasneem wamizajuhu min tasneem. And on the scene we make hums and safir as well. Aynan yashrabu bihal muqarrabun. Aynai. This ya is ya lean. We read soft sound. Aynai. After the tanween there is ya. We make idgham with gunna. On the sheen we make tafashi quality and also the hums. Yash. Tafashi means spread the sound of sheen into your mouth and hums quality means continue your breath. Yash. Rabu. On the ra we read in heavy sound. Aynan yashrabu bihal. On the lam again we make tawassut quality muqarrabun. Qaf and ra we read in heavy sound and ba we long due to waw madda, and if we stop here it will be madda aris, which we long 3 to 4 seconds. So we say bihal muqarrabun, aynan yashrabu bihal muqarrabun, innal ladhina ajramu, innal ladhina ajramu kanu minal ladhina amanu yadhakun. Innal ladhina, on the noon there is shad sound, we make gunna, lam we read in light sound, zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to ya madda. Innal ladhina ajramu, on the jim we make kalkala, which is the weak kalkala, because the kalkala letter is coming in the middle of the word. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Mu we long due to waw madda. Ajramu, ajramu. Ka we long due to alif madda. Nu we long due to waw madda. Kanu minal ladhina, again azal we read in soft sound and we long. Minal ladhina amanu, a we long due to standing fatha on it. Nu we long due to waw madda. Amanu. This dot we read in heavy sound, and also when we read on the dot, do not make kalkala. Yad, this is wrong here. We make istitala quality like elongation, so it will be yadhakun. If you don't know about the istitala, I will put a link so you can see to the right side there is a icon of link of this video, so you have to go there and watch it. Yadhakun, and kaf we long due to waw madda. So we say innal ladhina ajramu kanu minal ladhina amanu yadhakun. And you can see this is circle sign and little za and salle, which salle and little za whenever come you have to continue there. But right now there is option for you. If you want to continue you can, otherwise you can stop as well, because due to circle sign you have to stop, and due to these other two signs you have to continue. But if your breath is long, then otherwise you have to stop, no problem. So the next is وَإِذَا مَرُّوا بِهِمْ يَتَغَامَزُونَ. وَإِذَا, zal we read again in soft sound and we long due to alif madda. وَإِذَا marru, on the ra we read heavy sound due to dhamma sign on it, and also we long due to waw madda. Marru bihim ya. After the meme sakin there is ya, we make izhar shafawi, the clear sound of meme, and also the tawassut quality on the meme, like the continuation of your sound. So we say, and the sound becomes soft. So we say bihim ya, bihim him. Look, that is the quality of tawassut. Bihim yataghamazun. Yataghain and alif both we read in heavy sound. Yataghamazun. Za we read in bit strong wise, and then we long due to waw madda. And if we stop here, it will be madda ariz. So we say yataghamazun. وَإِذَا مَرُّوا بِهِمْ يَتَغَامَزُونَ. وَإِذَا انقلبوا إِلَى أَهْلِهِمُ انقلبوا إِلَى أَهْلِهِمُ انقلبوا فَكِهِينَ. وَإِذَا انقلبوا. This zal we read in soft sound. After the noon sakin there is qaf, which is from the ikhfa letter and also heavy. So we make heavy ikhfa here, and this qaf we read in heavy sound. Ba we long due to waw madda, And also there is madde munfasil, because after the waw madda the next letter is hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. That's why we long here 3 to 4 seconds. So we say wa idha qalabu ila. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it, and the standing fatha is equal to alif madda, and you can see alif madda is coming there, and after the alif madda hamza is again in the beginning of the next word. This is also madde munfasil, which is madde jaiz. So you long 3 to 4 seconds, and on the ha we make hams quality, the continuation of our breath. Right? So we say ila ahlihimu qalabu. Again ikhfa heavy, qaf we read heavy sound, ba we long due to waw madda. So we say ahlihimu qalabu fakihin. We do not long any letter here. Ha we long only due to ya madda. So we say again wa idha qalabu ila ahlihimu qalabu fakihin. Wa idha ra'awhum qalu inna هؤلاء لضالون. هؤلاء لضالون. وَإِذَا, zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. وَإِذَا ra'awhum, ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. And the next is wawlin, we read soft sound here. Hum, after the mim sakin, the next is qaf, we read the clear sound of mim here is hare shafawi. Wa idha ra'awhum qa, hum qa. Qaf and alif we read in heavy sound. Lam we long due to waw madda, and after the waw madda you can see there is hamza, so this is madde munfasil. We long 3 to 4 seconds here. Qalu inna. On the noon we make shadda. On the noon there is shad sign, we make gunna. Inna haula'i. On the ha, this is madde munfasil, because ha there is a standing fatha, after it there is hamza is coming in the next word. Ha is the one word, ula'i is the second word. So on the ha ula, this is madde munfasil, which we say madde jaiz, and after that ula'i, this is the separate word. So la'i, after this madda letter which is alif there, the hamza is coming in the same word, so this is madde muttasil. That's why you can see this is small mad here on the ha, and on the alif this is big mad. So the first is madde munfasil, second is madde wajib, which is madde muttasil. Inshallah soon I will make about the videos of these rules about mudud, so you have to watch then. So what we say, ha-ula-i. So the first mad we long 3 to 4 seconds, and the second 4 to 5. La-dallun. Dad and alif we read in heavy sound, and then we long here. So after the madda letter, the next is lam is coming with shad sign, which is a sukun sign also. So we can say this is madde lazim kalmi musaqqal. Like after the madda letter, the next letter is coming with shad sign. So here is madde lazim kalmi musaqqal. So what is the madde lazim? Madde lazim, whenever after the madda letter, if original sukun comes. Original sukun means like there is no temporary sukun. So this shad is original. Lam has original, so this is not temporary. Similarly, it can be sukun sign as well. And madde lazim definition is, if after the madda letters, if original sukun comes, then there will be madde lazim, and that is here. And now another thing is that this mad is coming in the word, so that's why we say kalmi. Madde lazim kalmi, and musaqqal is why? Because due to shad sign after the madda. So if after the madda letter, if shad sign comes like a sukun which is original, so then we say madde lazim kalmi. Kalmi means in the word, and musaqqal means due to shad. And if the sukun sign comes, then there will be kalmi mukhaffaf, right? So this is a bit different, and this is also the types of madde lazim. Inshallah I will make a videos on it. So right now we long here 4 to 5 seconds, and lam we long due to waw madda, it will be لضالون. And now we say وَإِذَا رَأَوْهُمْ قَالُوا إِنَّ هَؤُلَاءِ لَضَالُّونَ وَمَا أُرْسِلُوا عَلَيْهِمْ حَافِظِينَ Wama, this is alif madda, we long, and after the alif madda the hamza is coming with the mazda munfasil, then we long 3 to 4 seconds. Ra we read in heavy sound due to sukun sign on it, and there is dhamma on the before letter. Sin we read in light sound. Lam we long due to waw madda. Wama ursilu alayhim, on the ya, this is ya lean. After the mim sakin there is ha, which is harish shafawi. Now we read the clear sound of mim. Ha we long due to standing fatha on it, and wa we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and also we long due to ya madda. So we say alayhim hafidhin وَمَا أُرْسِلُوا عَلَيْهِمْ حَافِظِينَ فَالْيَوْمَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنَ الْكُفَّارِ يَضْحَكُونَ Fal yawma. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Ya we read in soft sound due to waw lean. Fal yawma. Mal ladhina. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to ya madda. Ladhina amanu. A we long due to standing fatha on it. Nu we long due to waw madda. Amanu minal kuffari. On the fa we make hams quality. Kuf. Continuation of our breath. Fa we long due to alif madda. Ra we read in light sound. Kuffari yadhakun. On the dad again we read heavy sound and we make istitwala quality. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Kaf we long due to waw madda. It will be yadhakun. And now we say فَالْيَوْمَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنَ الْكُفَّارِ يَضْحَكُونَ عَلَى الْأَرَائِكِ يَنظُرُونَ على الأرائك. Ain we read from the middle of the throat, and Ra we read in heavy sound, and also this is madde muttasil. So we long 4 to 5 seconds. Kaf we read in light sound. على الأرائك. This is lam alif here. It means don't stop. And then after the noon sakin, Za is coming, and we read heavy ikhfa here, and Za and Ra we read in heavy sound. Ra we long due to waw madda as well. So we say ينظرون على الأرائك ينظرون هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون Hal suvibal. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Sa we read in soft sound. Waw we read bit strong. Suvibal. Hal suvibal. Hal. Okay. Hal suvibal kuffaru. On the fa we make hams quality and we long due to alif madda. Ra we read in heavy sound. Kuffaru ma kanu. Mim we long due to alif madda. Similar kaf due to alif madda. Noon we long due to waw madda. Ma kanu yaf'alun. On the fa again we make hams quality, continuation of our breath. Yaf'alun. Lam we long due to waw madda. So it will be ma kanu yaf'alun. هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون. And now I read this complete lesson again, so listen carefully and try with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Khitamuhu misk. وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون ومزاجه من تسنيم عينا يشرب بها المقربون إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون على الأرائك ينظرون هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.